Hello, this is my family. At the top are my father and mother, who are the roots of our family. My father name is Angel Suni. My mother name is Agatha bin Sasi. They have their daughters. My elder sister is the fifth sister. My fifth sister name is Cai Ciria Suni. And my second name is Maria Suni. I am the youngest daughter. I live with my loving husband. My husband's name is San Fong, and we have three wonderful children. Our first child is a son. My son name is Gary Fong. We also have two lovely daughters who bring so much joy to our life. My daughter's name is Kesia Fong and Leonie Fong. His family tree shows that strong bond, love, and connection we all share. Thank you.